Hi, my name is Cameron Stutz, and this is my personal play project. I was born in New Orleans, Louisiana on October 7, 1997 to my parents Deborah and Rick Stutz. Growing up, people described me as kind and caring. I went to a Catholic elementary school and a Catholic high school. I was a shy boy growing up and struggled a lot at first getting out of my shell. Luckily, I have such a tight-knit family that always loves and supports me. I was an only child, so growing up, I was lonely because I didn't have anyone to play with. Once I got into school, I strived in wanting to make friends and have people around me that I could talk to and trust. My elders truly are everything to me and would always put a smile on my face even on the darkest of days. My life changed on August 23, 2005. This was when a massive Category 5 hurricane was coming for my home when I was just 8 years old and beginning second grade. At the time, my family had a mandatory evacuation to Houston, Texas. I was scared because I didn't know if I was ever going to see my friends or my house again. Hurricane Katrina hit my home and flooded it with 8 feet of water. My family had lost everything and had to start completely over. We then lived in Houston for 2 months and I was enrolled in school over there. I disliked the school and the people were mean and my parents wanted a different opportunity. My dad got a job opportunity in Raleigh, North Carolina for us to start over and begin a new life. The move was hard at first because I was so close to my family and would now be 12 hours away from them. When I was in Raleigh, I attended the Franciscan school where I was welcomed from day one. I made many friends because of my athletic abilities. I was always fast and therefore excelled. My 2 favorite sports growing up were basketball and soccer. I played these all throughout elementary school and focused on soccer once I got to high school. In soccer, I faced a lot of adversity and was faced with one of the biggest obstacles in my life. My coach kicked me off the field and put a lot of pressure on me. This made me work twice as hard, and I then came back to lead my soccer team to a state championship that year. Throughout my life, my friends have been everything to me. They've always had my back and have always been someone I can go to and depend on. My faith is the most important thing in my life. Without my strong Catholic beliefs, my life would be nothing. I attend church and pray to God daily. My middle school basketball coach preached faith and how it's so much bigger than basketball. He believed that with Jesus by our side, nothing could stand in our way. Now I'm a sophomore at UNC Charlotte in the Belk College of Business, majoring in marketing. I'm a member of the Kappa Sigma fraternity, and through this I have made lifelong friends and brothers and have been molded into a better man during my college experience.